Welcome to the channel. So today scenario is that you have a PC that you are giving away or selling, or you have a PC that was given to you but you do not know the password and you want the fastest way to get into Windows. You don't care about the data on it. In the case if you're selling it, of course you want to make sure all your data is gone. And if you got it and somebody just gave it to you and it's still good, you just want to get it started from fresh, this is the quickest way to do it. So first off, so you boot up, machine is up, but of course you don't know the password, right? So it's going to ask you for the password. It's probably going to show you the username, which I just block out for, doesn't matter because this person doesn't care about it, but protect their privacy anyway. Block out I blocked it out. And what you'll do from here, you can't log in, you don't know the password, press and hold the shift key on that desktop or laptop keyboard. So shift over here, I'm pressing shift, so there. And I'm gonna press on my screen, I'm gonna click, so I'm gonna click, let me slide my camera around so you can see that. So the power button, I'm going to click power button on the screen. And I'm going to restart while still holding over here, still holding my shift key. Okay. So it's going to restart. And this is what we want. So let's focus in on that. So right now, it gives us some option. It says troubleshoot. On the troubleshoot, it says reset or see advanced options. So I'm going to say reset. Then I'm going to go up here and say reset this PC. Now, if you click keep my files, it's going to ask you for the password again. So you don't want that. You will end up in a circle. You just go to remove everything. Okay, thinking about that. And next screen, when it comes up, the fastest ways to is just to do a reset and reinstall Windows, selecting the local options, not to download. If you download, it's going to take a little bit longer. You can always update things after you get in and put your own username. So there it goes. So you're doing this, as I said, if you're selling your old PC, so there we go. Or you got a PC and you want to get in, but you want to use it, but you don't know the password. So here is what I was talking about. Cloud, download, and reset. No, we want to do fastest here. We're looking for fastest. We want to do local reinstall Windows from this device. Click that. It's going to say get things done. So right now, of course, you would have let go shift key a long time ago. Once the machine come right back up, you can let go shift key. So here is another thing now. You can say just remove my files. Use this if you're keeping your PC, right? Now, if you're selling your PC, it says here, fully clean the drive. Use this if you're recycling the PC, and this can take several hours. So, if it's just your PC, you forget and you just want to go in and just reset it, you can use this. Some things may be left on it, not major things, but some settings and other things, may be left on it. But if you really want to clean it, or if you're getting it from somewhere and you want it clean, new slate, I would say fully clean the drive. So you're going to click on that. This will take longer. However, it's better to have it take longer and do it right, right? Good things sometimes take longer, right? You don't want to force bake a cake and then you get your cake out in half an hour and only the crust is good, the rest is raw. Get my drift? Okay. So really from here, it's just going to reset it. It's going to reboot. It's going to come back up a few times. It can take a while, but once you get here, you're pretty much on your way. So that's it. If you want any more quick fix like this, please subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of things coming down the tube where either my own computers or computers that I'm working on for a client or what I'm doing for, things that I'm donating of whatever nature. I will post some of these tips here that you can do this too. Do it yourself and save your money. So, okay. So now we've gotten to this point where it says, are you ready to reset the device? And it can't be undone and all that stuff. And it says resetting will remove all personal files and account and every changes you made, apps, anything like that you would have to reinstall. So it's telling you that. Let's say it was your own computer and you want to do that, it's telling you this. So it's something where you already know you don't care about the data, you just want a clean slate. And in this case, we're saying, yes, go ahead and reset. And it says resetting and it's showing you the percentage. Okay, friends, so we are at 2%. It can take a long time, especially for the first few percentage. It will keep climbing upwards. Often, as I said, it will be a little slow at first. The PC will then restart several times. You might see messages such as resetting this PC, installing Windows, and getting things ready as it gets to more and more progress. So when it finishes, it should boot to the initial Windows setup screen where you should choose your region, your keyboard name, and create a new account, right? So a few more things. Do not power it off unless it's clearly frozen for a very long time. Early percentage, it can sit for a long some time, and then it will just suddenly take off, right? Total time can be anywhere from 30 minutes to honestly even over an hour. But if you don't have a USB disk, you don't want to go make one and all that to do a boot up from USB, then you just set it, you forget it, and you come back when it's at the setup and you select your region, right? So as long as you see those spinning dots, they're still moving, it's a good sign. If it reboots and it comes back to reset again, then that may be an issue, but it's still normal if it comes back to reset. So just leave it. It will do its thing until it gets to you to set up Windows. Okay. Hopefully this can help you out and get your PC wiped and refresh. You can sell it. You can give it away with confidence. Thanks for watching. Watch the next video. Share this video. Remember to like, to share, and please subscribe.